I've got a bit of a video for you today. Before I start with this, I think it's worth mentioning that I am not sponsored by Wish, even a little bit. But one of these days I was scrolling through Wish because reasons, and I came across this. On Wish sometimes you get these random offers and you get things discounted greatly. So I got this discounted to £1 with £1 shipping. And if you're the first to place the order for said item, you will get it for £1 and £1 delivery. So all in, I got this for £2 delivered. And this is the box it comes in. It comes with some 3M double-sided sticky tape and some hardware for installation. It comes quite nicely packaged. So I'll just quickly get this back in there. I don't want to litter. Alright, it kind of comes in bits, so you have to assemble it. I went for this carbon fiber look. I don't know if I regret it or not, but the quality is it's actually quite. Now, considering I only paid £2 for it. I mean, I most certainly cannot complain for that. I'm not too worried about getting a scratch on the tarmac because look how low that is. It's gonna be getting some damage, so it hardly matters. Okay. Right, that's the assembled. Right. Alright. Now to install it.